I am here not to represent beauty, but I am here tonight to represent every transgender individual whose dream is to be seen, recognized, and celebrated. If I will win tonight, I will be able to prove that beauty is not about your physical appearance, but beauty is about your authenticity, your confidence, and your courage to be yourself. If I will win one of the crowns tonight, I will use this as a platform in order to amplify trans visibility. This will also encourage people to embrace diversity and inclusivity in Laguna. So together, let us prove the world that when trans people are given equal opportunities, we do not just participate, we thrive and we make a meaningful difference. And before I leave the stage, I would like to let you know that if I will win tonight, I will not rise alone. I will lift everybody up with me. Thank you.
Right on time. Good.